27, 2026. There, I gotta go check on an AC I put it in last year. Guy wants me to go check on it. Check the filter and run the unit. Should be fine. I just put it in last year, but he wants me to check on it for him. So we'll go over there and give it the old how you doing. I left extra filters there. I'm sure the filter's probably still good, but I guess he's got some guy doing his oil burner service, and they're supposed to check the oil burner and check the air conditioning and all this, and he wants me to check it. Well, here we go. Yeah. We're gonna float here. I'm gonna float there. Wow, 2 years already. Yeah, I guess we'll put a new one in. New one's here. Alright, so the reinforcement goes towards the fan. The reinforcement goes towards the fan. That's how it goes in there. Got a nice little door I put in there. A little filter. This one's got a TXV on it, so we'll have to check it by subcooling. Down to one filter. 16 by 20 by 1. $25 on the suction, 13 on the superheat, 7 on the subcooling. It's all looking good right there. It's in a nice area here where there's really not a lot of trees, so it's fine right there. $8 on the subcooling. It's fine. Putting the gauges on and off, you know, sometimes you lose a little juice. A couple of good JB caps on there I put. He's running fine. Only a couple of years old.